Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use the spot fixer to correct blemishes in a photo or a picture on your Samsung Galaxy S20 series. Now first, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home key. Then we're going to swipe up and go into the app screen. Next, tap on the gallery app. In here, select a photo that you would like to edit. So here I have select a photo, and then tap on the edit button at the bottom here. Next, we're going to go across down here, and on the toolbar tap on the portrait icon. Next, swipe across and then tap on the spot fixer icon. So you tap on the spot fixer icon, and then you can also change the size of the tool. So you can see here, if you drag all the way to the left hand side, you can see the size of the tool is quite small, just a tiny dot. And if you drag it all the way to the left, the dot become bigger. So I'm just going to leave it somewhere in the middle. And then you can also enlarge the photo. So enlarge the photos where you want to fix the spot. And say I want to fix this spot here, you just tap on it. So what it does is it will try to copy the pixel right next to the blemishes, and it will try to paste it on. So we'll try to copy the pixel next to the spot, and it will paste over. So here's this spot here that I want to remove. So just tap on it, and that will correct the blemishes on the face. So I'm just gonna make the face smaller. So here there's a dot at the top. You can tap on that to correct the dot, and that's it. So you can see you can fix it manually. Then tap on the accept button. Now another way to quickly correct the blemishes on your face or in the photo is to use the smoothness feature. So over here, if you tap on the smoothness icon, you can drag on this smoothness bar across to the right, and that will make your face more smoother. But then looking at the photo, you can easily tell the photo has been edited or corrected. So if you don't want to add too much editing, you can just move the smoothness bar back to the left or all the way to the right. And of course, with the spot fixer, you can manually fix just on the spot that you want, and that's it. And finally, don't forget to tap on the save button at the top to save the changes. And that's it. So that's how you can use the spot fixer to correct the mistakes in your photo. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.